I don't know about anybody else, right, but Brussels sprouts, I'm not keen. Horrible little bloody fart nuggets, I think they are. But if you like Brussels sprouts, you're gonna love this recipe. And if you don't like Brussels sprouts, then these will be, well, tolerable, okay, if you have to have them. Which is weird to me, because I remember as a kid being forced to eat a Brussels sprout on Christmas Day. You know, the day that was kind of about all kindness, love, you know, fun and games, and I'd eat everything else on the plate, but no, I couldn't leave that table until I'd eaten at least one Brussels sprout. Oh, and they're done in the air fryer as well. And yeah, before you go, oh, bloody air fryer, another air fryer recipe, you know, there's loads of them out there. You could do this in the oven as well. Quit your moaning. Merry Christmas. So really simple then, the ingredients for our not so shit Brussels sprouts. Obviously we've got the Brussels sprouts, and you can scale this up. Like, I mean, that's a 200 gram like bag there. You can scale this up if you've got more people. I mean, there's enough in there for like 4 people, no problem, as a side. Salt and pepper, we've got a bit of honey as well, balsamic vinegar, we've got a couple of cloves of garlic as well. And I've got some ghee, which I'm going to melt down. You don't have to use ghee, you can use butter, but ghee has just got a really nice sort of flavour, and it's less likely to burn because it's clarified. If you don't want to use ghee, you can use like veg oil, sunflower oil, or like rapeseed oil, which is, I think, canola oil in the States. You can use that, it's going to be fine. And as always, all the ingredients will be listed down in the video description, down there. So the first thing we're going to do is prep our sprouts. Ugh. So, first thing I'm going to do with our sprouts is just get them out onto a chopping board. And these are trimmed sprouts, so they shouldn't be too bad, you know. They've already taken the bottoms off, but there are some like gammy bits on here that you don't really want to eat. Yeah, I don't know if you can see that bit there. Oh, it's not, is it going to focus? Go on, focus. Oh, nearly. Come on, there you go. Right, so you see that little, I don't know, grey bit there? You don't want to eat that, do you? So we're going to trim that off. Just kind of get any shite, horrible bits off. Just kind of inspect them a bit. Probably going to take off the outer leaves again because they're covered in crap. And just kind of work your way through them. You, like, just look at bits you don't really want to eat. If you don't like your guests at Christmas, just leave it on and feed them all the horrible bits. And then just give them like a bit of a rinse, a bit of a wash off. And then just take each sprout. Kind of done one here already. But you just want to cut it down the middle, through the middle of the stalk, in half. Just so you get 2 halves like that. And just stick them in a bowl. And this is super, super quick, super easy as well. Because I know a lot of people chuck sprouts in like just a pan, boiling water, boil them up for like 5 hours and wonder why they taste like farts and bitter, which to me sprouts just taste like that anyway. But I digress. And there you have the bowl of sprouts, ready for our seasonings. Next we're going to take our 2 fat cloves of garlic. We're not going to bother peeling them because these are just going to add flavour. We're not going to eat them. I'm just going to cut them in half lengthways. And then just chuck those in with your sprouts. Next, take a pan, stick that on the hob. Ooh, a bit mucky that, I didn't wash that properly. Hold on. Filthy, Adam, absolutely filthy. There we go. You see it all on this channel. I don't hide nothing. There we go. Then I'm going to whack in some ghee. Oh, come on. Got like a good heaped dessert spoon. Right, doesn't really matter. I'll chuck in a bit more, why not? There we go. Then I'm going to get the hob on to, I don't know, a 4. And yes, you'll notice all the dials are missing from here. They all broke and snapped off, so I've got to get some more, like metal ones, I don't know. Cheap shite. Then we just need to wait for that to melt. Whilst that's kind of melting away, we're going to add some salt and pepper. In it goes. You know, a bit of pepper. Then I'm going to add some balsamic vinegar. 1, 2 tablespoons. Then I'm going to add our melted ghee. I'm going to give that a good old mix. Look how easy this is. A toddler could do this. Then I'm going to whack the air fryer on. I think we only need the 1 drawer. So we do the left hand side. We'll go to 180. And we'll do it for 8 minutes. And just take your sprouts, wedge them in. You kind of want to make sure they're on like a single layer like that. You don't want them all kind of bunched up because then they're not going to evenly roast. Get that little sucker back in there. And I'm going to cook those for about 8 minutes to start with. But, you know, all air fryers are different, so there might be kind of difference in times. But as a basic rule, 180 degrees C for about 8 minutes. And you can actually do these in the oven as well. I'll put the kind of temperatures and times up on the screen now. For about 8 minutes, just kind of keep an eye on them. And then at the last minute we'll add the honey. There's about a couple of minutes left to go. I'm going to take them out and give them a bit of a shake. Give them a bit of a shufty up. You know? Get everything mixed together. And you sort of see there, they're just starting to get nice and crispy. You've got to watch them, don't want them to burn. Okay, we're pretty much done for the 8 minutes, or we are done for the 8 minutes. So, I'm going to give those a bit of a shake again, and now I'm going to add some honey. Just drizzle some over. And you don't need a lot, just a light drizzle. Probably like half a tablespoon. Again, give them another shake. Just check them for doneness. Still a little bit of resistance there, but I think in another couple of minutes, they'll be done. Okay, so I'm going to go again for same temperature, and I think another 2 minutes. Right, these suckers are done. I'm going to get them out, and I'm going to get them into a bowl. Okay, here we go. Again, I've only done like a smallish batch here, and any kind of like marinade, any of the, like the balsamic, the butter, ghee, get all that in there as well. And that is how you make simple air fry Brussels sprouts that don't taste like shit. Right, give one of these fart nuggets a go. It should be stone cold by now because of B-roll, thumbnail and all that jazz, but that's life of a cooking YouTuber, unfortunately. I eat a lot of cold food. Anyway, let's get it in. Actually all right. Actually tolerable. For someone that hates Brussels sprouts, they're pretty good. You can really taste the ghee on there. This ghee's got a very distinctive flavour. Slight sweetness as well from the honey. That balsamic adds a little bit of acidity. It's just all round good. You know, don't chuck your sprouts in the bleeding pan and boil them. Do something like this, they're going to be better. But also leave a comment down below in the pinned comment. What other recipes do you want to see this Christmas? I've got a few things lined up, but leave your suggestions down below. But I shall love and leave you, let you get on with your day. Please remember to like, share, subscribe, all that kind of stuff. Share with your friends and family, because you know Christmas is coming up. I'll do like a playlist as well. I'll add this all to that, don't worry about that. So it's all in one place. But I'll see your gorgeous faces next time, and bye for now.